In today's video, I'm going to use Giorgio Armani, and these are sample foundations. I'm going to use my Revolution Sticky Primer, and we are doing one color eyeshadow today. And this is the color. This is Clionadh Cosmetics. There are 4 shades in there. I'm going to use shade number 9 and shade number 14. This one looks too red. This one looks too light. They're both the wrong shades, but I want to try them and see what they feel like on my skin. If you want to see what the complete look turns out to look like, keep watching. If you want to see what these two color foundation looks like on my face, keep watching. This is what shade 14 looks like. It is really dark. Shade 14. This is what it looks like. Shade 14 is on the outside part of my face. Can you see? Shade number 9, which is the lighter one, I'm going to put it in the middle of my face. This is shade number 9. It's lighter than this one. This is what my face looked like with shade number 9, which is the lighter one in the middle of my face, and shade number 14, which is the darker one on the outside of my face, and then I blend them to make them look seamless. But neither shade is my shade. I just wanted to try the sample, and it does feel really nice, airy, and soft. Doesn't feel like I have anything. Again, it's Giorgio Armani. I'm going to set this Giorgio Armani foundations with Clinique face powder. This is a pressed face powder. Colored Rain bronzer. Just hit pan on here. You see this little pan? I hit pan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am back with today's single eyeshadow look. It is all complete. I used the Giorgio Armani shade 9 and 14 in a sample. The dark shade is on the outside of my face and the lighter shade is in the middle. I set it with the Clinique face powder, pressed face powder. I am wearing the Black Panther lip color. It is thicker than water. That's the shade name. And again, I thank you all for watching my videos. Please remember that you are first. I will see you in the next video. Bye.